Virginia Mabhiza's statement actually gives the game away by saying ministers must support cabinet or resign. Ndizadapera mashoko okuda panguva ino anyasonwa kunzi VP Constantino Chiwenga's attacks panguva ino VP vari panguva yakaoma. Ndizadapera mashoko okubuda nyoko achinzi the king as articulated by the recent pre-Cape visit yakaita over the weekend. Zvinoratidza kuti President Masodamzo Mnangagwa is set awafunda zvinhu zvikuru chaizvo, but panguva ino vanhu vanosema questions vachiti will VP Constantino Chiwenga be able to step Vision 2030 to subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tabatana Daily Noidra Chiti, while also stressing that cabinet answers to themselves at the pleasure of Emerson Mnangagwa. She is actively confirming that Mnangagwa is the driver of Cape 3. Given the long-standing perception of her closeness to the president, she may be inadvertently echoing some pillow talk, bravado, reflecting frustrations Mnangagwa may have privately expressed about ministers not publicly backing Cape 3. And here is the real problem. Is she saying ministers must defend cabinet decisions even if those decisions go against the constitution? The constitution is the supreme law, not cabinet, not the president. Ministers swear to uphold it, not cheer while it's being banned or rewritten. So what Mabhiza is really arguing is this: fall in line or get out, even if the issue is the constitution itself. Toma developments are kubuda panguva ino. Pinda comment section medu dzofundo eni moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Don't subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.